Good afternoon, everyone. As we know, the previous session of accountancy, we are continuing with the same part today. Why? Because there was a drawback of time. We didn't get the time to cover a whole of the part of this. So I am continuing the same part. So in the last session, in today's last class, what we had ended over here till the purchase of plant and machinery. Till that we have stopped. Remaining three more entries are there that we are going to end up with this question, and one more question I will be proceeding in today's class itself. So we will be ending over after this ledger entries. We are ending with the third chapter. Which is the third chapter? Recording of the transaction part 1. We are ending this chapter today. After this one problem, this one and one more problem, we will be ending with this chapter. So one thing, so today's till here we got over Rajni Lal's account. That is what purchase of machinery. That is what we have seen over here. Till here we got over. What is the next entry over here is goods costing. Next one, sorry, next one more is there. Goods purchased from Mr. Sumit Traders, 55,000. Now what you have done over here? You have purchased goods. So what all things will be coming here? You are going to take purchase account and Sumit's Traders account. So purchase account data to Sumit Traders account. So the entries, what we are going to take, the journal entry, how we have taken the journal entry over here? Purchase account data to Sumit Traders account. So how you are going to pass the ledger account over here? In purchase account, you are going to write Sumit Traders account. Sumit Traders. What is the price of the goods? 55,000. Then in the Sumit account, purchase. Purchase is how much? 55,000. So this entry gets over. Now what is the thing? What you have mentioned over here? In purchase account, debtor side you have taken. This is the debtor side. This is the credit side. As usually, purchase account is debited. Debit side you have taken. And Sumit traders account it is credited. Credit side you have taken. That is one thing. Now how to post these entries is most important part. This is one of the most important part where actually it is needed. Each and every transactions whichever takes place are being posted in the ledger accounts. These are the individual ledger accounts where you are going to get all the details, just like the creditors and debtors. In the previous sessions we had many of the discussion about it, but today you are going to know. Now in the machinery account, however you have purchased plant and machinery over here, however you have purchased over that, you will be knowing how you have purchased. Is there any credit balance over here? You have paid full amount for the machinery or no? The journalizing, what we have learned previously, journal entries, in that finding any of the entry over there, the balance amount and all, it is very difficult. For that purpose, we open here ledger account. This ledger account, why, for what purpose? To know all the difference between or pending amount or receivable amount or payable amount. Very easily you understand over here. In this, what all things will come, we have discussed all the things, just like the date of the transaction we are knowing, then particularly the items, the name of the items you are mentioning here, the most probably the title or name of the items you are mentioning, then general folio here the page numbers are written, most probably the amount, what amount you have taken place, that you will be mentioning over here. This is all about the things. Now in the previous session also we came across temporary and permanent accounts. In that permanent accounts you are going to see all over the assets, liabilities and capital. In temporary account, the remaining part, revenue and gains and losses and expenses. That is what temporary. Profits whatever you are going to receive, obviously they will be temporary. That will not be the same for every time. That will be excess, more the amount or less the amount, whatever the profits are more or less, that is what we call here as a temporary account. Okay, so till here got over. Then what is the next entry over here? Next entry is goods costing 25,000 sold to Rajni Traders 35,000. Now goods which are costing how much rupees? 25,000. 25,000. 25,000 goods. Your goods account is not there. So not that we are not going to consider over here. Here what we are going to consider is which has been sold, means sales account is there, and to whom it is been sold? Rajni Enterprises. Two things are affected over here. One, Rajni Enterprises account we have going to get affected, and one more, sales account. How the journal entry is taken over here? Rajni Traders account data to sales account. Now Rajni Trader is debited over here. Debited means debtor side sales. How much amount is the sales amount? 35,000. Right? Then remaining part, Rajni Enterprises. Rajni Enterprises. So here we end up with all the part. This many entries were there. So here in these entries we saw individually how the things get completed over here. So this is the picture, just a picture of ledger posting. What it is? It is the picture of ledger entry. Here, see if you all are possible to see a whole of the part or no. Can you all see a whole of the part over here? Everything can you all see? This
No,
is what already this is made in a previous session also. Here by bank, what you have posted, the cash what you are having, you have posted it to the bank account. So here you have 4,80,000, and cash what you were having here is credited over here. 4,80,000 you got over. Then this is the capital you were having balance, cash capital of rupees 5 lakh, 5 lakh, 5 lakh. It is been got over, right? Cash account data to capital account it was, that got over. Then next one was bank, that is what cash account data to bank account, that is what cash was transferred to bank account. So this thing, bank account was data here, and this is what credited over here. Bank account data to cash account means credited over here. Then next what it was, purchase of furniture and gave check. On purchase of furniture they have giving check. So here bank account data to furniture account. So most probably furniture account was debited there. Furniture account debit to bank account it was. The journal entry how it was? Furniture account debit to bank account. The check was paid. So furniture account is debited and bank account is credited. So in this way you need to understand each and every transaction. Which account is debited, which account is credited. Just the names will be alternative. Just like you have purchased the furniture. In this furniture, your furniture was debited in the journal entry, right? In the journal entry, furniture account is debited. So debit side you are mentioning the account here. You have mentioned here debit side. Can you all see this? Yes. The bank account. So this is debited over here. So these things you need to know. See, if you understand this concept, it is very easy to post all the journal entries. So same I will be taking one more new problem over here. Now this problem got over. One more problem we are going to discuss over here. The new problem we are going to discuss, and one problem I will be giving you all as a homework, and we will be ending this chapter. I will text you all in the group the problem, and now we are going to solve one problem. The big problem I will give you all as a homework, and small problem we will discuss. If any of the doubts are there, you can pass out the things. Now here from your side I want the answers. Maximally those who can give. I will dictate here, you are going to write. I will not make the journal entries here. I will post directly to the accounts. These whatever the accounts are there now, I will erase this, the in between these things, and just I will enter all the things in the journal entries, sorry, ledger entries. You pass the journal entries over here. Is it convenient?
Yes, sir.
Only yes, only one girl has replied that yes. What about
Sir,
others?
down once I can see that sales account.
Sales account you are unable to see. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, check it out.
Yes, sir.
See, here the last point what was been given here, Rajni account data to sales account, right? So Rajni account is debited here. This is what Rajni account is debited, right? Then remaining part, which is been sales is been credited to the names of Rajni Enterprises. That's it. So here we end up with this part. So shall we start with the new problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's proceed over there. See, we are having a new problem over here. I will just highlight the things and even I will tell you all the journal entries. You have to pass the journal entries. I will be posting it to ledger accounts. The ledger accounts, whatever are been opened. How many ledger accounts will be there? That I will tell you here. See, first, journalizing the following transaction. Mr. Malika Fashion House and post the entries to the ledger. You are going to pass out the journal entries about this Miss Malika Fashion House. Here we are having the fashion house over here. We are going to pass the transactions into journal entries. Then we are going to post it into ledger accounts. Okay. So first point, business started with cash 2 lakh, means here obviously cash and capital account. Obviously here we are having cash and capital account. What will be the first entry over here? Cash account data to capital account. As usually how we have taken here, the same entry will be there. We require cash account as well as capital account from the first entry. Then next, open bank account with syndicate bank. Obviously now again bank account we require and bank account we are having already, right? In the second point. Then third, purchased furniture on credit from Mr. Gulmohar Fashion House. Here we have purchased the furniture. Then again, most probably you will be posting it as a purchase account data to Gulmar's house account. Now here two accounts are been newly opened. Now again, I will be removing these names and I will be making over the entries over here. Just I will get erased this part. See, you are going to pass the journal entries. I will just go for the ledger entries. Is it okay for you all?
Yes, sir.
See, it requires a lot of time to draw this all the things. The pattern. I would have taken this all the things in the presentation also, but I don't want it to be presented ready material. So whatever the things are there here, which all accounts we are having, that only we will be removing the accounts over here. Okay. So till now whatever the accounts we came across, the same accounts we will be removing over here. Now how many accounts we are having here? Ledger accounts, that much I will be removing over here. Now you are going to pass the journal entries. Remember the point. You are going to pass the journal entries. I am going to post the ledger entries. Okay. And those who are not getting any of the things, please stop me at same moment and raise your doubts. Okay. So see here. Start writing the journal entries. I will pass the same in the ledger accounts. Is it okay for you all? You will write
Yes,
the
sir.
journal entries. I will dictate. Journal entries you know how to write. First the date column, next the particular, then ledger folio, then debit amount and credit amount. Everyone knows that? Start writing the things. The question already it has been sent to you in the group. How many of you all have seen? I don't know about it, and few of them may not be knowing that. Few of the people from this group are not knowing that. Okay, for them, please text one message for me. I will add up you in the group. Okay, so first thing, started business. Business started with cash of rupees 2 lakh. So how the posting will be? Here in the journal entry, you will be saying that cash account data to capital account. What it is? Cash account data to capital account. So what is the cash account data here? As usually the previous, how we had the same I will be having. Here capital and here cash. How much here? 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs. So take down the journal entry please. Date is 5th June 2014. 5th
Sir, it is 2017.
Okay, 2017 in your book it is different. That is updated book. 14 or 17, whatever I had sent the message, it was in 2014. Whatever you are referring, it is updated book. The year it is in 2017 over here. So what the journal entry? Cash account debit to capital account. The narration, what you are going to write the narration over here? Business started with cash. How much? 2 lakh rupees. 2 lakhs will be debited and 2 lakhs will be credited over in the journal entries. Is it convenient to do for you all the journal entries? Everyone is doing
Yes,
here?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you all are doing it, it is better for me and for you as well. Just I need to know that. This one, Prasad, Sakshi, Sandhya, Tilekar, are you all doing the same things? Yes, are you all doing the same things? Are you all passing the journal entries?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you all are doing it is good enough. See, I am dictating it and same I am posting in the ledger account. This thing you can see in the video and you can get the things written. But now what is important? You are going to write the journal entries. I am dictating over here. Cash account data 2 lakh rupees is debited and to capital account which is credited in the journal entry. The same I am taking here. Cash account is debited over here and capital account is credited over here. Second entry. Opened a bank account with Syndicate Bank 80,000 rupees. Now what will be the next entry over here? We are opening a bank in the syndicate. Okay, here the entry will be just like 80,000 bank. Here I will write 80,000 under the bank. And same in the bank account, what do I should mention over here? Cash. 80,000. What is the date for this? The date is been given 8th June. Mention the dates. 8th June. 8th June. Okay, this was 5th June, the opening of the business, and on the 8th of June, they have opened one account in Syndicate Bank. That is what the journal entry I will tell you. Bank account debit to cash account. Write down the journal entry, bank account debit to cash account. Narration is opened a current bank account. Open a current account in Syndicate Bank. Opened a current account in Syndicate Bank. They have opened an account in Syndicate Bank. That is what the second point. Let's go for the third point. Third point, what it is? Goods purchased on credit from Mr. Gulmore Fashion House, 30,000 rupees. Then which accounts are there? The journal entry will be purchase account data to Gulmohar House account. What it is? Purchase account data to Gulmohar account. So next will be after this purchase account. New account, ledger account, what I am going to open is purchase account. And one more, Gulmohar. Gulmohar Fashion House. Gulmohar Fashion House account. So what transaction take place here? What is the journal entry? Purchase account debit. Purchase account debit to Gulmohar Fashion House. Purchase account is debited. Gulmohar Fashion House. Okay, Gulmohar Fashion House. What is the cost over here? 30,000. Here, purchase account. Purchase is how much? 30,000. Got the things? I am passing the ledger accounts. You are writing the journal entries over here. Remember the points. See, got the things? Now next one. Purchased office machinery and paid by check. You have purchased office machinery and you have paid by check 20,000 rupees. So what will be the new account? Office machinery account debit to bank account. You are paying through bank. Means where you are going to make over here, by check you are paying, means bank only. So it will be just like office machinery account debit. Write down office machinery account debit to bank account 20,000. 20,000. So here what we are going to make? Office machinery purchased. So next will be office machine account. Office machine account, the new ledger entry we are going to make, and bank account already we are having here. Now what we have done here? Office machinery account is debited. Yes. So here bank, how much rupees the amount is there? 5,000. How much? 20,000 rupees. 20,000 is been debited. Office machinery is debited, right? Then bank account. Bank account is credited. Bank account, by how much amount it is been credited? 20,000. Bank account here. By what I can say here? Office machinery. Office machinery I have mentioned 20,000. See, for this purpose, whatever now I am solving, directly I am taking the ledger accounts. I am telling you all to pass the journal entries. Journal entries, how to pass journal entries, we have learned all the things. The same journal entries I am trying to post here. To understand you all how to post the journal entries. Just like what the transaction took place here, office furniture account debit to bank account. See where it is? Here, bank account. So office furniture is debited over here. आपने डेबिट किया है यहाँ पर ऑफिस फर्नीचर, और यहाँ पर क्या किया आपने? क्रेडिट किया है. क्या क्रेडिट किया है? बैंक अकाउंट. The bank account is credited by rupees 20,000. Remember this. I have not written the dates. The date is 12th June. 12th June. The date is 12th June. The date is 12th June. 20,000. So what is the next entry? Rent paid by check. Now obviously the rent is paid by check means bank account. So rent, the new account, rent account. Rent account is debited over here. Rent paid by check, which is debited, and to bank account. Rent account debit to bank account. Next journal entry. For previous one, I have not told you all this one, right? Narration. See, I will tell the narrations. Everyone is writing the journal entries, or just I am giving the explanation over here?
Yes, sir.
You all are writing the journal entries, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Narration, see, for first I have told, second also I have told, purchase account debtor to Gulmohar Fashion House. That is credited. Goods purchase on credit. The narration you have to write is goods purchase on credit. Then next one, office machinery account debit to bank account. Office furniture account debit to bank account. That what you are going to do? Office machine purchased. You have purchased the office machine. Office machine purchase. The next one, rent account debit to bank account. That is what? Rent account is debited to bank account. So your bank, how much rupees it is? 5,000 rupees, right? Yes, 5,000.
Yes, sir.
5,000 is been taken in bank account, your rent. 5,000. What is the date over this for this? 18. 18. The date is 18. 18th June. Okay, in this way we are going to pass the ledger accounts. So narration is what? Rent paid. Rent account debit to bank account. Narration is rent paid. The amount you can write in the debit column 5,000 and credit column 5,000. Next one. After that, sale of goods on credit. You have made sale of goods. To whom you have sold the goods? Mohit Bros. Mohit Brothers, you have sold the goods. Now here we are having two more accounts here. Which are the two more accounts here? Mohit Brothers account. Mohit Brothers account. And one more, sales account. Sales account. Okay, now what Mohit Brothers account is debited here. Okay, remember this. I will tell you the journal it is. Mohit Brothers account debit to sales account. What it is? Mohit Brothers account debit to sales account. Amount is 10,000 rupees. Goods sold on credit. The narration is goods sold on credit. So let's see. Mohit Brothers account is debited. Sales. How much amount it is? 10,000. Then sales you have made. To whom? Mohit Brothers. How much it is? 10,000. What is the date for this? Mohit Brothers, 20 June. Okay, let's see the next one. What it is? Cash sales. We are having cash sales of 15,000. So what will be the things? Cash account debit to sales account 15,000. Yes? How much? 15,000. The next entry, write on the next entry, cash account debit to sales account. So cash account is debited. Where it is cash account? Here. Cash account is debited over here by 15,000. Sales. 15,000. To sales account is been credited over cash. Where is the sales account? Sales account. What it is been told over here? Cash sales 15,000. Sales account. No. To whom? Mohit. 15,000. Yes. Cash sales is 15,000. Cash 15,000. Okay. See what it was told. Cash sales account. Cash account debit to sales account. Cash account is debited over here. Can you all see this? Cash account is debited 15,000. Sales account is credited. Date is what for this? 22 June. You can write the date 22 June. Cash is debited and sales is credited. Got the things? So take the narration for that. Cash account debtor to sales account. Goods sold for cash. Narration is goods sold for cash. Next one. 3 more entries are there. Let's get it completed over here. See what it is? Next. Cash paid to Mr. Gulmore Fashion House. Cash is paid to Gulmore Fashion House. Why they are paying the cash for Gulmore Fashion House? Here you had purchased goods from Gulmohar House, Fashion House on credit. Remember this thing. So same you are going to pay over here. How much it is? 30,000. Okay. So where you are going to make over here? See, the journal entry is Gulmohar Fashion House account debit. Take it down. Gulmohar Fashion account debit to cash account. To cash account. In cash account, here you are going to write Gulmohar Fashion House. How much? 30,000. Okay. And what it is been told? Fashion House. Then Gulmohar's account, where it is? Gulmohar's account is debited. Where I have opened Gulmohar account?
Sir, down it is.
Down. Okay. Here it is cash. Cash is how much here? 30,000. Yes. What is the date for that? Date is 25. Write the dates also. The date is 25 June. Okay. So this got entry over. You have written the narration for this. Gulmohar Fashion House debit 30,000 to cash account. The narration will be cash paid to Gulmohar Fashion House. Narration, cash paid to Gulmohar Fashion House. The narration, the journal entry narration over here. That's it. So here we have passed the account. How it is? Gulmohar account is debited and cash account is credited. See, this is what you can see over here corner. Cash, here it has been debited. Gulmohar is debited and here cash account is credited. These things you need to know. If you all are not seeing the bottom line, I can make certain movements. See here.
Yes,
At
sir.
this part, you can see here, it is been, Gulmohar is been debited. He has received the cash, he's been debited. And what you have paid is been credited. The cash what you have paid over here, you can see over there. See in the up, here it has been credited. So this type, you are going to remove all the ledger accounts one by one. It requires more time. You have to practice it in quick and fast. You are going to open this all ledger accounts. Now, due to the last moments, today will be the last class for this. Tomorrow we are going to have the doubt session for this class. Okay. So this you have to understand. If any of the problem is there, if you have not understood, just you can call me and ask all the things. Then last two entries are there. Received a check from Mohit Brothers. Now what you had done, you have sold goods on credit, right? They have received a check. How much you have, the goods were sold? Sale of goods to Mohit Brothers, it was 10,000. It was on credit. Now they have given you 10,000 rupees check. How much? 10,000 rupees check. Then that is where the effect will be taken over here. Mohit account 10,000. Where it is? Here. Mohit account, sales are been there. Then Mohit account in cash 10,000. And previous where it will be taken over? Here Mohit Brothers in bank account. Mohit Brothers in cash account 10,000. What is the date for this? 28. The date for this where I have mentioned 10,000, 28 June. Okay, the date for this. So what will be the journal entry for this? Bank account debit. That is what bank account is debited. Bank account debit to Mohit Brothers account. What is the journal entry? Bank account debit to Mohit Brothers account. How much? 10,000 rupees. Narration, payment received in full. Narration, payment received in full and final settlement. Full and final settlement. Payment received in full and final settlement. That's it. This is the this one, the journal entry. The same we have past year. The bank account is been debited and Mohit's account is been credited over here. Okay, so you can see this. What was the journal entry over here? Bank account debit to Mohit brothers account. So bank account debit, Mohit brothers account credit 10,000 rupees. Then last one, last journal entry over here, salary paid in cash. Salary which has been paid in cash. You are having last entry. Salary account you are going to open over here. Last salary account. Salary account. What will be the journal entry? Salary account debit to cash account. The salary which you are paid in cash. So here we are having salary account which is paid in cash. Date is 30 June. How much the salary is? 6,000. 6,000 salary is been debited. And cash account. Where is the cash account? Here. Cash account 30. Salary 6,000. That's it. So last 2 to 3 minutes I am having. I may get disconnected. If any of the doubts are there, if you get tally, this tally will not be made. The journal entry, the final answer, that is what salary account, the final last journal entry, salary account debit to cash account. Salary account is been debited over here. I think you can't see that. See, salary account is been debited over here, and here it is credited. In the cash account it is credited. Why? Because you have paid in cash. Salary account debit to cash account, which is credited over here, 6,000 rupees. So most probably what happens here? All the recording of the journal entries got over. With that, ledger accounts got over. Now one more problem I will be sending you all in a group. You have to solve the problem on this. So we will be ending the ledger part today.